Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified Solidworks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass Solidworks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to show how we can convert the part body to sheet metal. So here we have a part body, and now we want to convert this part body to sheet metal. And for that, we're going to use a tool. Let's go here to the sheet metal, convert to sheet metal tool. So let's select this tool. Now we can see our model becomes transparent. Now let's go here on the left side. Here we have sheet metal parameters. So first we have to select here fixed face. Fixed face of the model remains fixed when the resultant sheet gets flattened. So we're going to select this face here, like this. Down here we have a thickness. So we can go with 1 millimeter, 2, 3. So let's go with 1. As well, here we have an option, reverse thickness. So we can go to other direction. As you can see here, we can change direction. But let's uncheck this. As well, here we have an option, keep body. Keep body is used for keeping the original solid part in the graphic area. And down here we have a bend radius. So let's go with 2 millimeters. Then here we have to select bend edges. We can go here, collect all bends, or we can manually select here bend edges. So here we have a fixed face, and I'm going to select as a bend edge this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here, like this. If we want to show our callouts, we can check here, show callouts. And now here we have callout 1 for the other edge, for this edge, and here for this edge, like this. Now as you can see, when we select bend edges of the fixed face, those rib edges here are automatically selected, as you can see here. Here we have the rib edge 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. As well, if we want to show callouts here, we can check this or we can uncheck this, like this. Now you can see bend edge appears in the blue color and the rib edge appears in the pink color. As I said, here we have option collect all bends. Collect all bends is used for finding all appropriate bends in the part automatically. It works better in a case of an important part with pre-existing bends in it. And down here we have a rib sketches. Rib sketch is used for selecting a sketch line or entity to define the required rib on a face of the part. But now we won't use this. Let's go down. Here we have current defaults. So here we have option, open butt, overlap, and underlap. As well, here we have a gap for all ribs, and here we have overlap ratio for all ribs. As well, down here we have a custom bend allowance, and here we have auto relief. Now let's go here, let's go with OK. Let's see the result. And this is our sheet metal. Now you can see here we have a sheet metal folder. We have here convert solid. We can open this. Here we have sharp bend 1, 2, 3, and 4, as you can see. So bends that were not selected, those faces have been removed from a model. As you can see, here we don't have the faces. If we wanted those faces, then we have to select bends. But now first, let's see our flattened state. Like this. This is it. Here we can see the bend lines, as you can see. And here we have auto reliefs on those edges. Here, 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 and here. Like this. Let's uncheck flatten. This gap here, you can control as we said. As well, you can go here with open butt, as we selected, and you can go with overlap and underlap. Now let's go here to the convert solid. Let's go with edit feature, like this. Now let's click here to the bend edges. Now we're going to add more bend edges. We're going to add this one here. We're going to add this one here. We're going to add this one here. Then let's go to the other side. We're going to add this one here, and we're going to add this one here, like this. And the last one will be this one here, like this. Let's go down. So here we have the gap 2 millimeters. Let's go with 1. Hit enter. Like this. Let's click OK. And now as you can see, here we have those faces. So here we have rips from here all the way through the model, as you can see, till here, as well on the other side. Like this. This is our rib. Now let's try to flatten this. And this is our result. Here we can see all the bend lines. And on the other side here. You have to be careful when you convert a part body to sheet metal body, because sometimes it's not possible to flatten sheet metal because flanges are clashing with each other. So you have to be careful with that. Now here on the left side you can see all the bends that we have here. We have 10 bends. Let's unflatten this. And this is our sheet metal body. So this is the simple procedure how you can convert a part body to sheet metal body. So you have to define fixed face, you have to define bent edges, those one, and you have to define rib edges, those one here. In the next lecture, we're gonna show how we can convert 3D shell part into a sheet metal. Hey, my name is Alan. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to become a Solidworks professional, if you want to earn a Solidworks official certificate, then you have to pass Solidworks certificate exam. This can help you to get a better job, to negotiate a better salary, and to accelerate your career. In order to earn Solidworks certificate, you have to pass the exams. I have courses that can prepare you for the exams. I have enrolled over 30,000 students. The rating I have for professional exam is 4.9. I have preparation for Solidworks Professional, finite element analysis, surface, sheet metal, and drawings. In courses, you will find all of the tools explained. You will find exercises, examples, and samples exam, the similar one you can find on the real exam. Right now, I have a special offer, and this is if you buy one course for $10, you will get one course for free that you want. As well, if you refer any course to someone else, you can earn 50% per course. This way you can make passive income. So if you want to get Solidworks certifications and you want to prepare for those exams, click the link below, check my website, and like and subscribe this video.